Hello traders, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. I will tell you how the indicator works in this video. Please watch the whole video to know how this indicator works, and how to use the indicator correctly and without loss. Can be saved. Subscribe my channel, so you can get such profitable indicators and you can avoid loss, and become a good profitable traders. Let's start trading video. Here is a signal. A candle has broken out of the breakout zone, and the candles are below the Bollinger Band black line. Here are signal from buyers. The candles are going to touch the lower yellow line of Bollinger Band, and the red line of the binary oscillator has also touched the lower black line and moved up. Here is a new signal from the buyers. When the candles cross the yellow line of Bollinger Band from the bottom up, and the red line of Royal Binary is also up. Hope we win this trade.